As temperatures drop, memories of the deadly December blizzard remain in the minds of many. Some people stranded by the once-in-a-generation storm were rescued by snowmobile drivers. News 4's Patrick Ryan is here with how snowmobile clubs are trying to partner with the county for future emergencies. Patrick?
Marley, the response to that blizzard by government at all levels has been criticized. Now, one major point of contention was the lack of equipment capable of getting to those in need of help. And volunteers with snowmobile clubs stepped in to help, and they're now looking for more benefits from the county in exchange. It's hard to forget images of the December blizzard. Hurricane-force winds cut through city streets like a knife, disorienting snowfall that left even the most experienced lost. And those drifts left emergency vehicles and everyday people stranded.
We got to talk. We got to sit down and get it done.
Rich McNamara is the treasurer of the Erie County Federation of Snowmobile Clubs, made up of 10 different groups. He helped rescue 41 stranded people during the blizzard, even helping hospital employees get to work. He says now more than ever, the Federation and county need to hammer out a deal formalizing their partnership.
Every time after a snow event, we've had one, the 2014 storm. I was out there with another club member up on the 400 and on the 90 rescuing people. And 2-3 months later, all forgotten.
McNamara says a preliminary agreement is in the work with Erie County. It would help with the costs associated with Federation clubs using their own equipment to help during snow emergencies.
After the storm, we had 2 meetings, one in January, one in February, with their emergency management, talking about working together, possibly an MOU, and we have not heard back from them at all until last night. We did receive a phone call that an MOU might be coming down.
McNamara tells us the Federation is asking for county insurance to cover responding volunteers, equipment repairs, and fuel money. Bill Stickney is the chair of emergency coordination for the Federation. He says the cost of equipment like this snow groomer and its maintenance is a huge expense.
We hold roughly 70 to 80 gallons of fuel, and we're running diesel fuel, so you're looking current prices in excess of $5, right around $5 a gallon.
Are you feeling optimistic that this will actually happen?
3 out of 10.
And I reached out to the county for a comment on this, but was told no one was available to speak. Both men with the Snowmobile Federation say when it comes to emergency preparedness, people at home should stock up on food, fuel, and take weather alerts seriously. Patrick Ryan, News 4.